Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the founding attorney of the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy repair, bankruptcy law, credit repair, and we do some mortgage refinance all inside of bankruptcy. If you need any information on any of those topics, please head on over to hollinsbankruptcy.com where you can get some good information. Now, I'd like to talk today about bankruptcy as a gift. Can bankruptcy be gifted? And it's kind of a play on words in that this is the holiday season. And so I thought it would be kind of a catchy title. But a lot of people don't know that bankruptcy can be paid for in many ways, your legal fees, your filing fees. However, there is a way that Congress says, Title 11 says that you cannot pay for your bankruptcy fees. So how can you pay your legal fees with regard to your bankruptcy petition and your filing fees? Well, of course, you can pay cash. You can write a check. You can pay it yourself. That's absolutely okay. You can also borrow funds and pay your legal fees in that regard. Another great way to have this paid is to have someone gift it to you, which is why I titled this particular post, Bankruptcy as a Gift. You can actually have someone pay your legal and filing fees as a gift to you. That is absolutely okay. However, and also, when I say cash, I also mean a debit card is fine as well. Let me mention that. However, Congress has made it a point to say that you cannot use a credit card to pay your attorney's fees with regard to bankruptcy. You cannot use a credit card to pay your filing fees with regard to bankruptcy. Now, why is that? Well, because credit is what we call a debt that can be discharged, a dischargeable debt. And if you are able to use credit to pay for your bankruptcy fees, then you're able to discharge those debts, then that absolutely is not what Congress intended, and they consider that out of bounds for what you can do. So to recap, you can pay cash, check, debit card. The funds can be gifted to you to pay your bankruptcy, and you can also borrow funds. And a lot of those options come into play if you find yourself maybe looking at a lawsuit, or there's a judgment and things are looking like maybe a garnishment is happening, or if maybe there's a vehicle being repossessed or just got repossessed, if there's a foreclosure happening, you may want to consider those latter options as far as borrowing funds or having someone to gift those funds until you're in a position where you can maybe pay those things back. However, absolutely, credit cards are not allowed per Title 11. Congress set it up that way, as it should be. So again, my name is Michael Hollins, the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. And once again, thank you for listening.